Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. We are headed to Animal Kingdom. Are you excited, Landon?
Mm-hmm.
It opened early at 8. Someone's a bitter party of 1.
That would be Tate.
Is this where we're turning?
Also,
yeah.
We're so thirsty from all of our drinks and food last
We're
night.
very thirsty.
And Tate successfully ate her way through Epcot.
You did, Tate.
I may be broke.
I'm excited. What are you guys most excited for?
Okay,
You got it.
You go.
The new Pandora ride.
Yes,
You
I
guys
want
were
Tate to
talking
ride that.
So many good things about it.
Yeah, she hasn't been on it yet.
All I know is when I first rode it, Laura would not tell me anything about it, so I was completely in the dark, and I was amazed. I don't even like Avatar,
Yeah.
and I was amazed, and I can't wait to go on it again.
I see the floating mountains. That was
Sorry,
a quick
what?
drive from Coronado.
That
We're
was.
really close.
Oh, I need your band.
I forgot my magic band.
Okay.
Shoot.
So we have to turn around?
So sorry.
Well, let's go drive through.
I don't know
and see if
how
they
I
have an
can get in
option.
without it.
Oh my gosh, that's just...
Good morning. Well, here we are at Animal Kingdom. It's 9:33.
Groundhog Day.
I got my magic band. It only took like 15 minutes. Wait, what did you want to ride?
Safari.
All right, let's do Safari.
Yeti.
And then, yeah, we could child swap Yeti.
And then try it again live for Pandora. If not, then the water ride for Landon.
The boat ride, Navi. I'm hoping that like the wait times go way down this afternoon. And snacks. Although I've had very bad experiences at this Joffrey, guys.
Why?
Is she okay?
Yeah.
So, the first time we went there, the guy was a jerk. I asked for an iced latte, and he goes, I mean, I can make you a coffee and put some ice in it. We're not Starbucks. And I was like, what? And he had like this weird lazy eye, and like the guy, like it was like he was running, I don't know. And another time I got her a cheese Danish from the Joffreys, and the birds came up and ate it out of her hand, and she cried with Alexis for like 10 minutes. So I don't know about
So funny.
Joffrey's. Maybe we do Starbucks today at Animal Kingdom.
Oh, that is cute. What is it, Laura?
This is Joffrey's. You want to wait?
Do you want to wait? Oh my.
Don't we want a Starbucks?
The Starbucks is gonna be longer. Look at this, Lana. Okay, honey. Oh my God.
Mocha. On the hot.
Ready? See the tree, Miss Donut Muncher? It's the tree of life. So the cavalcades go on boats here with characters. So you'll see them come this way. Like,
Except for when we were here last, because it poured down rain.
oh, that's right. Here they come under the bridge. There they are. She looks so cute in her safari outfit. That was cool, wasn't it? Dinorama. Chester and Hester. Wanna go high or stay low?
And what it's inside.
You wanna go high? Oh my gosh, let's do it! Aunt KK and Cousin Tate are on the big drop ride.
Riders in the back row can use their lever to tilt forward.
No, there's no big drop on this. This is a landing ride. Ready to go up high? Here we go. You wanna go low? Gonna go high again? Yeah. There we go. Look at the dinosaurs over there. An asteroid. Oh my gosh, that was so much fun. Or wild. She said they only do it this time of morning, that's it.
The one went up in the tree all the way at the top and then came down and he's like yelling at the other one to come up with him and he wouldn't go past that tip. He was scared.
Aww. What are we watching? Are they so cool? Oh my gosh, Everest was so much fun.
So much fun.
Hi, Muckins!
Let's go to safari.
This is insane. We are in line for safari in the Lion King building. This is nuts. Had the margarita from here?
No.
You haven't?
No.
We're getting one.
Hey.
And good jumping. To Harambe. I've got a landing on me. Big jumbo, everyone. Landon, look right here. Look right here. Hey, Coley Cattle.
Look at those horns.
Go drink of water.
When born, they are gray in color.
Here's the hidden Mickey K. The island.
Oh, I didn't see that. Oh, yeah.
It's flamingos.
Hey, look, there's a...
And look at the elephants over there. He's still drinking his water.
They're so cute.
They're so cute. I want one.
You should get one, Walla.
Look at the goat.
Well, these gates are at the edge of the reserve. So our 2-week safari is just about over. I'll be taking you to the Warden Post.
Mommy got her special drink. And mobile order at Harambe Market, and it's ready. And Uncrustable fries, applesauce, and this beautiful Greek salad. What did you get? A drum diddy drum? So Carrie and Tate are in line for Pandora Flight of Passage, and they've done it different. So you have to wait in line, and then Carrie's got to text me to let me know when she gets up to the front, and then I go up and they do rider switch and scan my magic band. They said people were like stealing fast passes. Sounds weird. So I'm gonna try to walk around and get Landon to sleep. Lunch was really good. The salad was delicious. It's 1:45. You see him right there in the water? Aren't they cute?
It's like Josh's grandma, kind of.
He just walked out of water.
Big rat.
Not a bug bug.
Benji.
Not a bug bug. Imagine a bed bug in there.
Oh, there's a third one and a fourth one. Trying to get little Chica to sleep. She's going. Stop it. Oh my gosh, she's so cute.
Got your photograph? We'll head out.
Oh, sure.
Oh, they're all around.
Slow down.
Just refusing to nap. Why don't you lay down and close your eyes, baby? Lay back and close your eyes, hun.
Part I've ever been on, and I'm riding for the second time with my Aunt Wawa.
Do you really think it was the best one? Right?
So good. I'm
So good. You almost cried?
It's so good.
All right.
Alright, where
Have
am I
fun.
going?
Flight of Passage!
So excited.
Floating mountains. What was your favorite part?
Just like all the drops, like where you like go into these little crevices, and it's like you feel like you're gonna run into them, but then you don't because you have to trust your little avatar person.
What about, like, I don't know, it's also cool when the guy's like breathing when you're in like that cave.
And, or like when you feel like them like against your thighs, like
Yeah.
when they're moving, that's so bizarre.
Breathing, it's so cool. It's
and,
so beautiful. And the smell too, it's kind of like Soren.
And like all the smell, yeah.
I love it. I'm so excited to do it again. Yay. Hopefully Landon falls asleep.
Yeah.
You know what it feels like? It was like the closest to ever feeling like you're a bird. Yeah. What did you get? What is this?
Malera margarita. With blue curacao and with tequila.
Oh, that's tasty.
And it's got these bubble.
Pineapple spring roll. I was like craving something sweet.
The blue curacao really makes
Oh,
it
it's
sweet.
warm.
Ooh. Get in there, Laura. Get in there.
Yummy. It's plastic cheese. It's so
I
good.
don't see Simba anywhere on that.
There's his face, his 2 ears, and his tail. The churro's bomb, isn't it? You still don't see it? It's lay. Alright, it's getting cold. Let's see.
Hello. Where are you?
Churro!
Mom, turn around. Other way. And there you have it.
Jim Jiminy. Landon just woke up. Carrie and Tate both got pooped on. Oh my god. There they go! Is that them? What are you gonna do?
I gotta ride the roller coaster. I gotta ride the scary ride with it. Take it when I'm a big.
When you're a big girl?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I think so. Look at this. Bye, Tree of Life. Bye, Animal Kingdom. Fun. We're tired.
So tired.
Okay, we are home.
We are home.
We said goodbye to Aunt KK. Cousin Tay, are you a little sad?
And is that?
Oh, I'm a little sad to say goodbye to them. But did we have fun at Animal Kingdom?
With those
Wow. Looking back, we probably should have went to Probably should have went to Magic Kingdom because she kept on wanting to ride more rides, and the only rides they had were Triceratops Spin, which we did twice, and the safari, and then the Navi River ride was over an hour, like all day, which I don't think, unless it's like less than 20 minutes, that ride is worth it. I can't believe it was so popular because safari and Everett, we rode Everest twice. Tate rode it 4 times because like the lines went down at the end of the day. But we had a good day, but probably it was a beautiful day weather-wise, but we probably should have went to Magic Kingdom because she wanted to ride so many rides. But we still had a good day. So we're back in the hotel. We have our Tragical Express information. We have to get down there probably around 9 or something. But it's 7 o'clock exactly. I think I walked over 8 miles both days with a bum knee. Another park day would probably have been hard. So we're gonna go get some dinner down at the quick service here at Coronado. And then I think that's it. I'm looking forward to Zaza's tomorrow at Orlando Airport, that Cuban place. They have a really good Cuban vegetarian bowl that I love, and their iced latte is so good. So
Thanks for watching.
hit the thumbs up button.
Hit the thumbs up button.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
And we will, see them next time?
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye. Cousin Tate and KJ, thank you for doing Disney.
You're so cute.
Bye bye, KJ and Cousin Tate.
Landon, thank you for doing Disney with me. You were such a good girl. Did we have fun?
Yeah.
We had the best time. You ready to go get dinner?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Beep beep.
A meat beat? Landon, what's a meat beat? Is it yummy? Zaza's really good. Everyone is so nice here. The Cuban bowls are amazing. The iced latte, so good.
Getting on a plane.
Yeah, we're gonna eat and get on a plane. You see a Zaza at the airport, go. It's good. They're so nice. I love Zaza. And this looks pretty bomb too. These sangrias. I mean, pineapple, coconut, and rum sangria. And that